Hi everyone! So today I'm going to be showing you our Moroccan oil brushes. We absolutely love these brushes. They have ticked every single box for us in the salon and I'm pretty sure they will for you too. So the handle is perfect, it's easy to grip, it's got a rubber feel so it doesn't slide out of your hands, which is perfect, so you're not going to lose control when you blow dry them. The bristles are nice and firm and really good quality, so that helps to get the tension and the volume or the smoothness if you've got like frizzy hair and you need to really get a pull on it. And the added bonus is in the ends they come with the perfect sectioning tool, so it helps you to section, get in your partings and blow dry perfectly. This is the 45mm, which is the second largest that they do, and I'm pretty sure you will love them as much as we do. Enjoy!